What's up, guys, and welcome back to another Airbender FPV video. Today, guys, we got a new product, and I'm gonna show you what it is. So some of you guys are familiar with what this is. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing on the unboxing table and let you see everything that's included. So guys, this is the Air65 by BetaFPV. What made me get this? Well, I like my Meteor 75, so I just decided to try one of these out. So it comes with an additional canopy, a connector when you're using Betaflight, more props, QR code for some knowledge and support, and then you have the drone itself. I love this size. Wish I'd have started out with something this size. And this is the freestyle version. I did not get the race version because I can barely fly, guys. I did buy batteries because I know this particular model did not come with batteries. And guys, it will be a link below to all this stuff as well in the description. Let's get a quick weight. So about 16 grams. The camera is the Beta C03. The motors are 23,000 kV, BT 2.0 connector. This is the all-in-one unit with the ELRS built in. These do not have the quick connect on the motors. These are soldered. So I'm gonna go over a couple things I don't like on this one. So first we're gonna start here. I know a lot of people do like this, but I don't like it because I don't know how to fly yet. I'm so worried about clipping these, hopefully not. The frame feels really weird. It does give, but it feels like it's gonna break. I don't know, maybe this is in my mind. I don't particularly like how this camera system is set up with all this opening right here. I don't know, I'm just weird. I feel like I might fly into something and something stick in there and snatch a wire loose. I don't know, maybe not, but I wish that was a little bit more covered. I know that would be a little bit more weight, but I don't have a problem with that. And there may be some other options for a canopy. I don't know if you guys do know of other options. Let me know because I'll be more than open to ordering one. But outside of that, I think I'm gonna like it. I really like the size of it compared to my Meteor 75, but I love my Meteor 75. I really love the canopy on that Meteor 75. So as you guys can see, this is the Meteor 75, which is closer to 80 mil if I'm not mistaken, but this is a 65 millimeter. I do like this size. I can probably fly this easier in the house. Can't wait to get this thing in the air, guys. One other thing I don't like is how that camera is kind of exposed. And maybe it's not that bad. I just wish this went a little bit farther around and protruded out a little bit farther. But other than that, I think I'm gonna like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing set up on Betaflight. I'm new to this, so I'm gonna try to get some flight on it, but I might not put any flight on this video. So just stay tuned. So I decided not to do a flight just yet. So if you guys don't mind, go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Make sure you share this video and make sure you leave a comment below and let me know what you think about this drone. As always, it'll be a link in the description below on this particular drone and the batteries as well. Till next time, guys, this is Corey with Airbender FPV. Thanks for watching. Happy flying.